What's an ETF? An ETF is an exchange-traded fund. Technically, it's a stock, but to you and I, it's a basket of stocks, very similar to mutual funds, which most of you are familiar with. ETFs follow an index or a sector. Let me explain. You want to own the S&P 500, you could do so by simply purchasing SPY, the ETF that follows the index. Most of my clients own the Qs, which follow the NASDAQ 100. If there's a sector that the institutions are buying, we can own it. As of this recording, the semiconductor sector is doing well. Also, the global infrastructure sector is doing well. There's pretty much an ETF for all sectors. So why do we buy ETFs? Number one, diversification. Most ETFs own 25 to 100 stocks, some more, some less. The high majority of these ETFs are concentrated in 10 stocks, which provides more diversification than owning any one stock. Number two, lower cost. Most mutual funds fees are over 1%. ETFs fees are closer to 0.5%. And the reason these fees are actually lower is because there's no fund manager for an ETF. It just follows a sector or an index, so no manager is needed. Number three, all-day trading. Let me explain. Mutual funds trade once a day at the close of the market, which is 4 p.m. As I mentioned earlier, ETFs are technically stocks, so they trade all day. This is beneficial if I need to get you in or out of an ETF during the day, because as we know, things happen. Number four, tax efficiency. If you own a mutual fund, you're at the discretion of the fund manager for tax decisions. Each year, mutual funds declare capital gains and distributions. We decide when to take gains or losses with ETFs. Now, this video is not to knock mutual funds. There are many great funds. In company retirement accounts, they're usually the only choice. But if you have a choice, I prefer ETFs for lower cost, all-day trading, and the tax efficiency. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Share with your non-Facebook associates, and always, if you want to learn more about ETFs, enter into your browser chat with SAC.com.